Hi guys, welcome back to another Friday of Green is Easy with your host, Sabidurïa. Okay, I want you guys to think about 3 things throughout this video and at the end of this video, okay? 3 goals, 3 objectives. First, limit the bad habits. Second, find alternatives, okay? Change those habits. What is the next best thing? And then number 3, share this information. Share it. Don't just share it once, share it multiple times. It's not that easy to change. Grind this information into people's heads. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys some tips. These are not in any specific order, so take as you will. Think about the bigger picture. Think about longevity. Think about your kids, your grandkids. Like, you gotta go in with this mindset to think about others. Know that you're going to fail, okay? You're going to fail. You're going to fuck up a million times. That's how you build habits. Just let yourself feel a little guilty, but just know that you're not gonna change it one day. Take the bus if you can, all right? If the metro or megabus or the transit, if you have access to those things, don't be afraid, use them. They are more eco-friendly. If you must drive, try to carpool as much as possible. Buy true eco-friendly products, okay? There's a lot of products out there by companies that are just fishing you. They're green fishing you. Products that have green labels that say that they're 15% less plastic. If they're not talking about the ingredients, if their package is still made of complete plastic and every single time you have to get it is just plastic, they're not really eco-friendly. You do not wash the stuff that you're recycling, it's going to the trash. Eat less meat and chicken. If you're an omnivore, meaning you eat meat and plants, just try to limit it, okay? Make 1 or 2 days a week the days that you eat meat, or make 1 or 2 days a week where you don't eat meat. Nowadays, psychologically, we tend to feel like we're not eating a full meal unless it has meat or chicken in it. That is not true. Start telling yourself that is not true. Also talking about replacing, all right? Try to replace slowly. Try to eat foods that, if you really love your meat, try to get products that are made of soy and tofu modified. That looks like meat, tastes like meat, just a little drier. Not gonna lie. Yeah, there's Beyond Veggie Burgers, there's Beyond Grinded Meat, there's all types of salamis, there's hams, there's turkeys, there's fake chicken nuggets, there's everything that you can think of is out there. You know how we just talked about limiting? Limit that chicken and meat, and then replace it with a Beyond Veggie meat. And there you go, you're eating meat every day. Go shop at green stores, okay? Like, Whole Foods, Wegmans, Ralph's, Aldi's. I don't know about Aldi's that much. Mamas or Mothers or whatever it's called. I know they're a little more expensive, but it is for your own good. It is for your children's good. Like, it's good in the long run. Stop buying water bottles, all right? Use filters. There's Brita filters, there's other types of filters, other types of brands where you can put it in your faucet. If you have certain type of faucets, you can buy the cans that are this big, that big. There's reusable bottles that have a little filter inside of it. If you really want to buy that, try to find filters that are long lasting, things like that. Like, you can stop buying those water bottles. Check out the episode on Rotten or Explained on Netflix that talks about water bottles and how they are harming a bunch of people. Order out less often. Try to cook more. If somebody tells me right now, if they're saying I can't cook or I hate to cook, me too. I hate to cook. But think about the bigger picture. There's so many recipes out there that make it so easy for you to make anything. Like, I mean, anything is out there. But just do it. Just do it. Literally, just do it. That's how you get a new habit. Just do it. Try to limit. If you're ordering out and you have utensils at home, don't just let them know I don't need utensils. I don't need that plastic straw. If you really need a straw, buy a metal straw, buy a reusable straw. There's plenty of options out there. Actually, in most of those green grocery stores that I told you guys about, you can go there. They're there. When shopping, use reusable bags. It's okay to forget them a million times. Just the times that you use them, excuse me, my eyelash coming up. A lot of places do charge you for using plastic bags that they have, or their bags, okay? So it will save you money. And if a place carries paper bags, use those. Don't buy the chopped veggies. Don't buy veggies and fruits that are in plastic wrap. For one, stuff that's chopped up costs more. Oh, you love pineapples? Buy a thing to chop pineapples every single time. Buy them for the things that you eat a lot of. They oftentimes come in styrofoam. Styrofoam does not break down easy, okay? Just as much as plastic. It's not that good. This is one tip a lot of people don't know about. If something is wrapped in plastic in your grocery store, a lot of times if you just ask the people that go to the back, hey, can I have this not wrapped in plastic? They will go get it for you without it being wrapped in plastic, okay? If the people in your grocery store are assholes and they're like, fuck no, switch grocery stores. Leave surveys for grocery stores. Leave surveys, okay? Leave surveys. Grocery stores need to know what the people want, all right? How are you supposed to let them know? Leave them something so they know that, hey, stop wrapping everything in plastic. Most of this shit don't need to be wrapped in plastic. Like, what? Now I really want to move into recycling. There's things you need to know about recycling. Newsflash, you cannot recycle everything. Second newsflash, you cannot recycle everything that has a recycling label on it either. Okay, you can go to how to recycle that info. As you can see, they talk about the labels here. Find out what you can recycle in your specific area. Go to these websites and find out. It's super easy. I want to point out that it is very, very important that you guys think about the bigger picture, okay? It's not just about recycling, it's about limiting. Don't put so much trash out there to recycle. Recycling industries are overwhelmed, they're overloaded with stuff, okay? Most of the stuff that goes there, a lot of it has to go back into the trash. Limit. Find alternatives. Share this message. Think about the bigger picture. It is important that we take care of our earth. It is important that we take care of us. Did you know people ingest 5 grams of plastic a week? Okay, that's 2 credit cards a week. If you didn't know, there's an island as big as the United States in the Atlantic Ocean just made of trash. Most of it is made of plastic. Anyway. Sorry if I went off a little on you guys. You guys are trying to do better. Do your best. At the end of the day, the only thing that matters is that you are trying, okay? Please keep trying. Don't stop for anybody. I failed a million times before I was able to get anywhere, and I still do. I'm still human. I still make mistakes. You know, once in a while, I'm still going to fuck up. Alright. Now, on another note, I do want to let you guys know some upcoming stuff that I'm going to be reviewing as well. We got the bidet, okay, from hellotushy.com. I'm going to be reviewing that one. Or bidet. I can't say that correctly. I'm going to be reviewing the compost bin from Bokashi. Okay, that is where you throw food and then it becomes soil. I'm going to be reviewing the True Earth laundry tabs. Okay, instead of buying laundry detergent, using laundry tabs, and so much more. If you guys like this shirt, this crew neck sweatshirt, you can actually go and follow this profile on Instagram, and I'm also gonna put up another one so you guys can check these out. They will be coming out soon. Okay, so look out for that, turn on your notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching this video until the end. Make sure you guys follow me on my social media. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys share. Give this video a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Don't forget, green is easy.
And relaxing. I would never trip on a nigga if I had him. Bitch, that's my trash, you the maid, so you bagged him. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what was happening? Bitch, what was happening? Bitch, I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah.